probably heard this claim: sunroofs weaken a car's chassis. Sounds logical, right? Cut a hole, lose strength. Well, not exactly. Let's break down the facts. The myth says that adding a sunroof turns your car into a flexible noodle, worse handling, more body twist, and long-term structural fatigue. Fact 1. Cars with sunroofs always get reinforced roof structures. In every modern car, a sunroof isn't just a hole cut in the roof. Manufacturers strengthen the entire roof assembly with thicker steel, stronger cross members, and additional bracing. Real-world examples: Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, VW Golf. Sunroof models use thicker roof rails. BMW, Audi, Mercedes add reinforced frames plus additional spot welds. Subaru, Outback, or Forester, sunroof versions get double inner bracing. This means the final structure meets or even exceeds crash and rigidity standards. Fact 2. OEM sunroof cars pass the same crash tests as solid roof cars. If a sunroof weakened the chassis, the car couldn't pass federal roof crush tests, rollover tests, or side impact tests. But sunroof models pass the exact same structural certifications. Examples: IIHS roof crush ratings are identical for sunroof versus non-sunroof models. Toyota, Honda, Subaru publish no strength penalty for glass roof models. Tesla Model 3Y with full glass roofs score top crash ratings worldwide. A weak roof simply would not be legal. Fact 3. Full panoramic roofs can be stronger than metal roofs. Modern panoramic roofs use laminated, tempered glass bonded with industrial adhesives. That glued bonding structurally acts like a giant brace. Some panoramic roofs increase overall rigidity. Real examples: Tesla Model 3Y, extremely stiff cabin with full glass roof. BMW X5, X3, VW Tiguan, torsional rigidity unchanged or improved. Audi Q5, panoramic roof version tested stiffer in torsion. In many cases, the roof isn't a weak point, it's an additional shear panel. Fact 4. What does weaken cars is aftermarket sunroof installation. This is where the myth comes from. Cutting a sunroof into a car that wasn't designed for it, that absolutely weakens the chassis. Common problems: body flex, leaks, creaks, failure to meet crash standards, roof deformation under load. This is why OEM sunroofs are safe, but aftermarket ones are not. Fact 5. The biggest downside of sunroofs is weight, not weakness. Sunroofs don't weaken the chassis, but they do add weight. Typical numbers: plus 40 to 90 pounds. Weight is high in the chassis, meaning higher center of gravity, can slightly affect handling, acceleration, and noise. So yes, there's a downside, but it's not structural weakness, it's weight and complexity. So does a sunroof weaken your car? No. OEM sunroof models have reinforced structures, pass the same crash tests, and sometimes are even stiffer than metal roof versions. Only cheap aftermarket installations weaken the chassis. Myth officially busted.